Buckle up everyone, because today we're discussing the top 5 programmable robot kits. We strive to give you the best recommendations in terms of price, performance, and intended use. The products featured in this video are not presented in any particular order, so be sure to watch to the end to find the one which is perfect for you. As always, the links to the most up-to-date prices are in the description. Introducing the Budletsbot Robot Toy Kit, the perfect STEM coding robotic toy car for kids ages 8 to 12. With this engineering DIY building kit, your child can build and code their very own Budletsbot to move and interact with the help of a mobile app. It's a fun and educational way to learn about robotics and coding. The Budletsbot Robot Kit offers 3 different play modes: voice mode, coding mode, and control mode. In voice mode, your child can operate the robot using voice commands. In coding mode, they can plan and enter values to make the robot move in their assigned directions. And in control mode, they have full control over maneuvering the robotic car. This STEM toy not only teaches coding skills but also enhances maneuver techniques. Your child will learn how to pull over, turn left and right, reverse, move off, and correctly position the Budletsbot robot after play. It's a comprehensive learning experience that combines creativity, programming, and tech skills. The Budletsbot Robot Kit comes with a mobile app that allows your child to learn futuristic skills. They can design, create, program, and control their robot using this high-tech app. It's an immersive way to explore the world of robotics. One cool feature of the Budletsbot is that you can give it a name. Once named, it will always get connected and activated with that name. Personalization at its finest. Not only is this robot lightweight and easy to carry, but it also has a multifunctional capability. It can transport lightweight objects to your programmed destination. It adds an extra level of excitement and practicality to this amazing toy. Ignite your child's passion for robotics with the Budletsbot Robot Toy Kit. Let them unleash their creativity while learning valuable STEM skills. Get ready for an exciting journey into the world of coding and engineering. If you're looking for an exciting and educational toy for your kids, look no further than the JCC Robot Building Toys. This STEM project assembly kit is perfect for boys and girls aged 8 to 16. With 493 pieces, it offers endless possibilities for creativity and imagination. The set features a 2.4 GHz remote control, allowing your kids to control the robot with ease. Whether it's building an astronaut robot or exploring coding concepts, these robotic building blocks inspire early learners to delve into science, technology, engineering, and math. The DIY design promotes hand-eye coordination and teamwork skills, making it a valuable learning experience. It's also a fantastic gift idea for various occasions such as birthdays and holidays. So give the gift of fun and learning with the JCC Robot Building Toys. Looking for the perfect gift for a tech-savvy kid aged 5 to 10? Look no further than the Picador Programmable Smart RC Robot Toy. With its upgraded matte metal appearance, this robot is not only a playmate but also a stunning model for display. With LED glowing eyes, magic sound effects, and simulated machine guns, it's guaranteed to captivate toy model lovers of all ages. The fun doesn't stop there. The robot can be controlled both by remote and through gesture sensing. Simply make gestures in front of the sensor receiver zone on its chest and watch it move promptly in response. But that's not all. The programmable feature allows kids to enter a set of actions using the remote control, sparking their innovation and logical consciousness as they program up to 50 different movements. Moreover, this multifunctional robot can sing, dance, tell stories, and even change eye colors. It's packed with entertainment. Plus, it's rechargeable and comes with a USB cable, providing 60 minutes of playtime after just 1 hour of charging. The Picador Smart RC Robot is sure to bring endless joy and excitement to any child fortunate enough to receive it as a birthday gift. Introducing the MakeBlock MBot Neo, a fantastic STEM toy for kids ages 8 to 12. This robot kit offers a comprehensive learning experience through 3 stages: building, cognition, and creating. Kids can learn Scratch and Python programming, electronics assembling, robotics knowledge, and computer science in a fun and intuitive way. From building to playing, the MBot Neo enhances hand-eye coordination, concentration, logical thinking, and creativity. Assembly is a breeze with a clear user manual and rich tutorials included in the package. Everything you need to build this robot toy is provided, and programming software is also offered for kids to explore more functions for their coding robot using Scratch and Python. The sturdy aluminum construction ensures long-lasting use, and the rechargeable battery included makes it eco-friendly. But the possibilities don't stop there. The MBot Neo uses CyberPi, a multifunction main board that allows for internet connectivity. With built-in sensors like ultrasonic sensor, obstacle sensors, buzzer sensor module, and receiver, this coding robot can connect with the Internet of Things, IoT, and give kids a deeper understanding of technology. Teachers can also benefit from the Wi-Fi module that allows multiple robots to be connected for collaborative tasks and simplified programming sharing. The MakeBlock MBot Neo is not just a toy, it's an educational tool that sparks curiosity and creativity while teaching important skills for the future. If you're looking for a fun and educational toy car kit for your kids, then the Yaboom STEM Education Toy Car Kit is worth considering. This kit is designed to be a cost-effective option that provides an introduction to robotics and programming. The car is based on the Micro-Bit, which is a tiny programmable computer that makes learning and coding easy and fun. With the Yaboom STEM Education Toy Car Kit, your kids can engage in graphical programming using the MakeCode editor. This online graphical programming platform is a great way to develop logical thinking skills for new coders. Your kids can choose to follow the provided guide or use their own creativity to make their tiny bit car unique. Despite its small size, the Yaboom STEM Education Toy Car Kit offers a range of functionalities. It has modes like obstacle avoidance and line following, making it an exciting interactive toy. The car can be controlled using either the remote control or a smartphone through the Yaboom app, available for iOS and Android devices. Not only is this toy car kit fun to play with, but it also promotes science education. It serves as a great STEM toy for kids, allowing them to explore concepts in a hands-on way. For more advanced users, the kit provides sensor-compatible ports that can be used to extend the car's capabilities and create even more customized features. Overall, the Yaboom STEM Education Toy Car Kit is a super cost-effective option that combines learning and play. With its programmable features and educational value, it's sure to provide endless fun and learning opportunities for your kids. We're glad you watched our video about the top 5 programmable robot kits and hope you found it helpful. Remember, all the links to the products in this video are in the description down below. If any of the links are broken, please let us know in the comments and we will fix it as soon as possible. Thank you for watching our video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you next time.